We'll guide you through how to use an external webcam or camera on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The quality with built-in webcams on a laptop or cameras can be quite low, and so you want to go and use an external one, it makes sense. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this guide. So go and mount it on top of your laptop. You can see I've done that there, and you can then go and plug it in. I've done that there. Now, what we first of all need to do is you just want to make sure that it's enabled the camera on your laptop. So you can press the Windows Start button at the bottom, or press search and type in settings, or find settings and click there. On the left, scroll down to privacy and security, scroll down to app permissions and find camera. You need to go and switch on camera access here, and you can also go and switch on let apps access your camera and switch on camera. That's more of a general setting. Now, what we need to do is we need to come down and press search at the bottom, because what we're now going to do is if you have a built-in webcam, we can go and disable it. So it's just going to go and use this one here. So what you can then do is go and type in device manager here, click on it. In here, you want to go and find cameras, press the arrow to the left to expand it, and you want to go and find the built-in one. So this is the Insta360. And the integrated one is one I don't want to use anymore. So I'm going to right click on that and we're going to press disable device. Confirm the decision, and then it's not going to go and be used as it's disabled. So now we can close out of this, and just to go and show you, I can press search at the bottom and I can go and type in camera, and I'm now going to go and open up the camera, and it's going to go and use the external one. As you can see, there we have it. Now that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.